the net, this net is a big issue here. You know, here it's even raining. What about your end?
It's just cold.
It's cold, eh? Now these guys, they are calling and I'm using the phone. So here, so let's go to sorting. Let's go to sorting. So we use it, we can sort decreasing true and sort decreasing false. So if you run the one for decreasing, when the decreasing is true, so you decrease, you sort when decreasing, eh? So you sort from the highest to the smallest. And then when you say decreasing is false, it means from the highest to the smallest. Does it work for you? Are you getting the same?
Yes.
So we can also use order function so that we sort by a given data. So let's import our data. Do you remember the data set that we had? Import data. So remember our data set. Which data set have you been using? Weight, height data. So let me look at my data. Just a second. I try to get my data where it was. I think you also have your data. Let's import that data. And then now we sort using one variable of that data. Also, it was weight data. Or was it student data? Yeah, it was weight. So I think, can you see mine data? Can you see it?
Yes.
So let's import this data into R. So you know how to import? Vanessa, using the read.csv.
Yeah.
Please import.
Excuse me, sir, we're supposed to set our working directory.
Yes, you're supposed to set so that it becomes easy, sure. Hey, I'm in class. All right, let's continue. Leave them alone. So we set working directory. So we go to session, set working directory. Mine is usually in the flash disk, BST. Okay, set. See mine. So I can now import my data very easily now. Import from Excel. Browse. It's already there in my working directory. Wait. And I've imported mine. Now, this guy. So I have my data there. Can you see my data?
Yeah.
I hope you also have your data like mine.
Yes.
So I have my data is weight. Let me see. So my weight is there. Once you import it, it will give you the name. You remember the name, it will come up here. Look at the name of your data. When you import, it gives you this. See this part? The way I labeled mine, it has given me weight is less than read.weight.xls. So my data is called weight. Then I can now attach weight. So my data is there now. So my new data, then I call it weight. Weight. I can order it by weight. Then if I want to see my new data, and you can see the weight. You can also view new data. You can see my weight is ordered, eh? Can you see my weight?
Sir, could you go back to the other page to show what function you have used?
All right. So my data set is called weight, eh? Capital weight, eh? And the variable that I'm using to order is the weight. So when you have data set with several variables, weight, height, or let me use something else so that I don't confuse it. So there was age. Order my data using age. Let's use age. Sort by age. Because my data is called weight, it has age. I don't know if you get it. Talk to me, talk to me. Has it worked for you?
Yes.
Has it ordered the data using that variable that you're using? Whether it is weight, whether it is height, or age, is it running?
Yes.
Just a minute. Hello, has it worked? If you don't talk to me, then I don't know what is going on.
It has
Yeah, so
I have, I have a question.
That one was compulsory.
No, okay. In our school, we were dropping subjects at the end of. What does it? In what way does it order this data? Don't mind.
Order is like sorting. So my data is called weight. Okay? Is that okay? It depends on the name that you gave your data. My data is weight. So where there is weight, you can look at here, look at down here. When you import data, look at this command. My data is called weight. Can you see?
So,
yes.
So mine is saying NA. There are some columns which are saying NA.
It means there are some, in your Excel, there are some spaces you didn't fill.
Oh.
But
Okay.
is it sorting? Is it sorting your data?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay. And Mary, my data is here. It's called weight. So if I run my data, and then I tell it to sort by age, then it comes to age. If you want to view it, it comes. Look, 21, 23, 24, it is sorting. Look at it. It's sorting. Hello, can you hear me? Sorry, the network. Is it sorting? Has it sorted?
Mine is sorting.
Sorry?
Mine has a lot of errors too.
Who?
Mine.
Aya. Who? Can I start with who? Vanessa, can I give you a right to share? We see your screen. Vanessa? Vanessa, share your screen. Okay. So your data, I know why it has error. Can you see what it is saying? Look at the error. Age. Now, your data. What is this data? Can you click data? Click where you have written data. No, on the, yeah, run that data. Scroll down. I want to see what is in the data set. Scroll this up a bit. Okay, so there's age, there's height, and there's weight. Now, new data, your data is not called age, your data is called data. So you write here, new data, row 7, new data is equals to age. Remove that first age. No, you're okay. Everything is okay. Just press Control Z.
Pardon?
So return back what you had written. I just want to change one thing. Return what you had written.
Can't remember.
Press Control Z. So put data. No, yeah, there, good. So the first age, delete the first age, the first one. Put data. Please run that. Run that new data. It's okay. Now put view in bracket. View in bracket. New data. Close the bracket. Run it now.
Huh?
Capital V. Capital V.
Oh.
Capital V. You have to put capital V even in the other one. We have put view in bracket new data. You put capital V.
Yeah. I've put it.
Run it then. There it is. So you can see your age is sorted. Can you see age? The first column for age?
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Who else was having a problem? Who else? So is it running for the rest? Can I assume it is working?
So mine has run, but when I say view new data, it's saying error.
All right, Stephanie, let me see. There you are, Stephanie. You can put it, project it.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
it's
view
sorted
because
with
why is it telling you view? Because it does not have capital V. Close this, wait. Close the wait.
This one up here.
Yeah, close there. Now run it. Where were you running it?
Down. I ran it to the same place.
Where?
Yeah.
No, you need to put those commands. View must be in capital V.
Yeah.
But where is this command that you have written right now? The one for sorting?
Yeah.
No, it's not that. Let me show you. Close it. Just remove, then I can tell you what to write. Withdraw your screen.
Okay.
So I want you to write this. See this command? And see this command?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the command we are running. Can you write it? Because you have it.
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
Then can you share that one that has this so that you can see?
Okay, 1 minute.
No, it's not that one. So why copy it and then paste it up there. Copy that and then paste it up. Oh, so it has run. Not yet.
Yeah. Okay, this is the previous data for my weight. You see here, my weight is not sorted. But when I went down, when I put the command, this command, now my weight is sorted. But then, do I have to view? That's what I was asking.
That's the only way to check whether it was sorted or not.
Yeah.
But now the view must be in the capital V. You see that? V.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Can you check if
Okay.
your weight is sorted? You can see it is sorted. Is it so?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. You can withdraw your screen. Who else?
Me
Me is
and Marie.
okay. And Marie Mo, you're also a co-host. Yes. Close those. Close new data. Close age. Those ones. Close them. All right. So, what is the name of your data?
Age.
It's called age.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you run? Run that one. View. You are sorting with weight. So weight should be sorted. Can you look at the weight? Is the weight sorted?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're okay because you're sorting with the weight.
What do you mean by sorting?
Sorry?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're sorting with weight, so that's okay. Who else? So it seems we are doing well. That's nice if it's working. So that is how we could have sorted. Now let's sort with two variables. So we sort with age and height. That is mine. So this is how you write it. So you decide which variables you want to sort with. So if you look at mine, remember my data is called weight. Your data is called something else. So you can see two things are sorted. Age and height. Let's see. You can see age is sorted, and then height should also be sorted. I don't know why it's not sorting. It should sort both. Height should also be sorted, but it's not sorting height. As you are sorted.
It depends on which variable comes first in the function.
Yeah, so the first variable is the one that sorts it, eh?
The one that's sorted.
So the first variable, it's refusing to sort both, eh? That's okay. So let's try the third one. When you want one to be ascending and another one to be descending, let's see if it will work. New data 3. View. So this one has refused. This one has refused. So we just work out the first one. These two have refused. So let's just work out with the first two. This one, leave it for a while. I'll check why the command is not working. Or has yours worked? Has it worked?
There on your new data 3, you've put like a dash before height.
Yeah, because I wanted it to descend. Minus.
Oh, okay.
So it is refusing to work, that minus. Or I try this side, let me see. If it's refusing, I will look at it later on, why it is not working. Yeah, it doesn't want the negatives.
Sir.
Yes.
Or maybe it's because you've put data instead of weight.
Okay, let me see. Instead of data. Yeah, most probably, yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it has worked. In a way. Which one is ascending and which one is descending? It's not working. It's not descending the height but the weight is ascending. So still not working. So it's okay. We'll review it. You see, even this, when you have these values, you can do ascending and descending by clicking. Can you see that? Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes.
It is ascending, it is descending. It goes to, that's descending. If you go to height, it can ascend. Can you see that? You go to age, you can also ascend. You see, it can keep on changing by clicking, the view window. Is that okay? That's another way. You can always click. Let us go to the last one here, or second last. We do merging. Now, you know what is merging? Merge, bringing it together. You can either add the columns or you can either add the rows. Now, if you're adding columns, it means you're actually adding variables. Now, for example, you can see this data that we have. It has age, height, weight. You want to add another column means you are adding a variable. Is that okay? Are you getting that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, when you're adding rows, it means you're adding observations. Observations. So if it was up to 50, I want to add more up to 40. Now, this means now you need 2 data sets, and from those 2 data sets, you want to merge them. So let's start with we start with which one? Merging by adding columns, by adding variables. We create one data set with age and height. So let's go to our Excel, then I can show you how to split them.
Sir, you're moving too fast.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
So sorry, which part did you not get? Because I wanted to go to Excel and explain this. Or you want to still write these ones first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Sorry for that. Then write them. Just write them. Sorry. I wanted to go to Excel first, but now it's okay. Finish writing?
Almost.
Put this as data 3, and this one put it as data 4.
So are we running the functions?
No, now I want to go and create this data set, data 1, data 2, data 3, and data 4. That's what now to show you how to create those data sets so that you can match.
So are we opening a new Excel tab?
That's what I want to show you. Let me show you what to do next. Finish writing, then I can go to Excel.
Yeah.
All right. So now this is our Excel, eh? So we want to create one data set that has age and height. So this one is going to be one data set. And we're also going to create another data set with weight. Can you see that? So we copy the same thing. It is up to 50. So we copy the same. We create data 1 has what? Age and weight. And data 2 has height only. Is that okay?
Pardon?
We want to create two data sets from this data that we already have. Data 1 will have age and weight, these ones. So we copy this one, put them in data 1. Data 2 will only have height alone. Is that okay?
So are we copying them manually onto R, or are we putting them in a separate place?
In Excel, we are putting them in Excel. So like mine, I'll take this age and height, copy them. Can you see this? Copy this, open new Excel, and then I paste them there in my new Excel. So look at what I've done. This is my new Excel. It has age and weight. Then I'll put here something called ID. ID is just number 1, a unique number. 1, 2, 3, 4. What was I doing? 1, 2, 3 in that order. So it's up to 50. So this one, I'll call it data 1. Data 1. So have you created that one? Have you understood?
With the ID you use rand between.
No, just click number 1 up to number 50.
Okay.
So how did you copy both results to a new document?
How did I? Please reduce some volume at the background. Okay, now ask.
How did you move age and weight from your first document to your second one?
I copied them. Let me show you. You see these two? These two. I just selected them like that. Copy. Can you see that? And then I paste them in a new Excel. Then the second one, I copy height. Open a new Excel. New Excel. Paste them. Then I come with ID. So then I save it as data 2.
So what is data 1?
Data 1 has weight and age and ID. Data 2 has height only and ID. Is it clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Will we need to import the data later on so that I save it as CSV?
Yes, you can save it as CSV. Data 1, data 2, data 3, and data 4. All the data sets we are creating.
Okay.
There in ID, I'm not able to get, I'm not understanding.
It's a number. From number ID is just number 1 up to number 50. What is the problem with it?
Yes, but how do you get it?
How do you?
No, I'm not able to do 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you do it?
You type 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then you select 1 up to 4. Can you see that?
Yes.
And then you drag down from here. You go to 50.
Okay. Thank you.
Eh?
Please, can you do that again, please?
Can I?
Do the ID again, please.
Okay. You put 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Select those 4. Then drag here, from lower here. Drag it down.
Okay, thank you.
Has it worked?
How many data sets are we supposed to make?
We are just getting from our original data set. There were 50. Remember the original data we had? You're just splitting your original data into 2.
Okay.
All right. Now we go to data 3 and data 4. So in your original data, we take from observation 1 to number 30. So look at this. You take age, height, weight, copy number 1 up to number 30. Can you see that? copy it the way it is, open a new Excel. Paste it there, 1 up to 30. Then save it as data 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Are we taking half our data because
Yes.
finally I don't have 50? Okay.
Just half or 3/4.
Okay.
Get the 3/4 of the data, 1 up to 30 or half of it. You see, this one has gone up to 30, 1 up to 30. Then save that as file, save as data 3. Then go back to your original data again, the weight data. Select from 31 to 50. Open a new Excel sheet. Open new Excel sheet. ID. This is from 31, 32, 33. It will go up to 50. File, save as. This is data 4. So how many data sets do we have?
Excuse me, sir. So data 3 is 1 to 30 and data 4 is 31 to 50.
Yes.
And you're adding ID for all of them.
Yes. Good.
And the data 4 IDs is not from 1. I'm seeing you've started from 31.
Data 4 is from 31. It's a split. Data 3, you start from 1 to 30. Remember, it was 1 to 50, the original data. Let me now explain using the original data. So in this original data, what we have done here, we have just added this thing called ID. Can you see that? Can you see this? ID. Now data 1 takes ID, age, and weight, all of it up to 50. Is that okay for data 1?
Data 1 you said is just age and weight.
But you add ID, is it so? It was age and weight.
Yes.
But you add ID from 1 up to? Is that okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
And then data 2, it was only height. But it was height, ID, and height. Is it so? Is that what you have for data 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Now data 3, you take ID, age, but you take number 1 up to 30. That is data 3. And then data 4, you take from 31 to 50. Is that okay?
So all of them have ID.
Yes. So in terms of merging and merging the data, we want to start by first merging data 1 and data 2. So we have split of data set. And then,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Just give me a minute. I create data 4, 3, and 4. Wait, 4
Oh,
and 5. I don't,
you have not created them? Okay.
not yet.
Sawa, no problem.
Okay, we can continue now. Thank you.
Good, good. I know this thing is tiring, so you become patient, is it so? Then you practice everything that you have done today. You can see we are still learning. So everyone has got 4 data sets. Do you have data sets?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
many? 4, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, that's what happens. When you give some people some job to do, you split the job into 2 people or 3 people. So now, you can merge the data set and have a own one data set. Do you understand?
No.
You can have 3 people working on the same data. So you want to combine those data sets into one. That's what I mean by merging. So we have 4 data sets, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. Is that so? So we want to merge them so that they become only one data set. Is it clear?
Not really, but if you do it, you'll see.
Okay, tell me, what is it that you're not understanding there that is not really? Like which one? Before I move on, I need to know. Just ask.
What do you mean when you say we are merging all our data?
What do you understand by the word merging, Vanessa?
Putting together.
What is merging?
Putting things together.
Correct. So Vanessa has been given some job. He has some data. Then Anne-Marie also has some data. So how do you put them together? Through merging. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So now, let's now import the 4 data sets. So first we import, so here, import the 4 data sets. That is data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. So you know how to import them? Just a second. So we call them data 1. So we'll have data 1. So attach data 1, data 2, attach data 2, data 3, attach data 3, data 4. So you go through the import from Excel, browse, so you have data 1. Can you see my data 1? Open. There it is. My data 1 is here.
Excuse me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Before we go on, I have a problem.
Yes, Michelle.
So, when I went back to my R studio, it told me that my R session was aborted, and yeah, it's asking me if I should start a new session. So I'm asking, if I start a new session, will I have to redo like everything that we've done? Or is there a way that I can retrieve my work?
Did you save?
Pardon?
Did you save? Were you saving the data? Or
Yeah,
just
I'd already saved it.
Ah, you've already saved it. You have saved it?
Okay.
Yeah, just
Yes,
restart.
let
Just
me
restart.
check.
Just restart. You should get it.
Okay.
If you don't get it, we shall share
Okay.
what we have to you.
Okay.
Just restart and see if it works. Has it worked?
Okay, it saved the work where okay, not much of it. The last thing that I did was the part where we were saying we're running the only part that it saved.
Oh, sawa. So let me run the 4 data set and then I give you the commands there. You run them.
Okay.
I'm just sharing with you the data now, the commands. So let me run this 4 data set. Data 2, import. Then I also import from Excel. Data 3. Import. Go to data 4. Import. So these are the commands, yeah? So this one is the one that you have lost, eh? Can I post them in the chat button? You copy it. Michelle?
Yes.
Can I paste it on the chat button? You copy the command.
Okay, you can do that.
So there they are for everyone, even anyone who did not copy them. Just copy them and paste them there. Then you run those data sets, data 1, data 2, attach.
So I'm having a problem.
What's the problem?
When I was importing data from data 3, it gave me like 3 more rows that have nothing else on it, and it brought them into the import window.
You need to delete those rows that have nothing in the Excel. Go to your Excel, delete those free rows, and then you save. Then you import again.
I hadn't written anything on those 3 rows, and in the other documents I haven't done any of that, but it still didn't bring.
That is whose? Is Michelle or who?
Mercy.
Mercy. Mercy. Where is Mercy? May you project your screen? Let me remove mine so I can see it.
This is what I mean.
Oh, so now go to that, the same document that has this, the Excel, delete, just select this column 4, 5, and 6, delete them, and then import again. Just right click them and then delete. Is that okay? Delete and then now import. Let's see, try import again, but you have to remove this one.
Browse. Excuse me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean when you run and then it tells you the following objects are masked by
It's okay.
data?
That one is okay. There's no issue. It is okay.
Okay, thank you.
Even mine is giving me the same here. You can see they're here masked. The following are masked. It means they have been repeated somewhere, somehow.
Okay.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
Import data set from Excel. Browse.
Who is that who is very happy like that? So, let's see if we can merge this. If you run this command, if it will run. It has merged. Total. Now it has brought everything. You can see it has ID, age, height. Wait, you see it has merged. And you can view. It has given you all the data set. Data 1 had age and weight. Data 2 had height alone. It has merged them. And you see the observation are up to 50. Is it so? Then you go to this other one. Forget about this merging by ID and country. Yes?
I have an issue with my data 4. Can I share my screen?
Hey, just a minute. What is your issue with data 4? Who wants to share the screen?
Vanessa.
Okay, share. Share the screen.
This one. Yeah. When I import data 4, it has this.
Yeah, so what it means, you go to the Excel from row number 9 up to 14, select all those rows and then remove.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay.
Haya.
So please share your screen.
Now I want to run this one for R binding. To run less than minus. I did not put minus here. Less than minus. It has added them, and you can view the data. It has marked. There is my screen. Don't run this one. Leave this one alone. Just run this one and this one and tell me if it has given you a one complete document, data set that has everything. Has it run for you?
So we are running the one that has total 2. What?
Hello, you're saying?
Oh, we are running the one that has total 2.
Total 1 and total 2. Total
Which
and total
one?
2. This one. This one.
Okay.
And this one. This one and this one. It should give you total 2, and total should give you a complete data set. One has added rows, the other one has added columns.
So my total 2 is giving me issues because it's telling me that total 2 cannot be found.
Because you have not run. Where is it?
I have run it.
Same.
Same here.
You did not run it.
Run. Do you mean view or attach?
No, look at what you wrote here. Have you written total 2 is less than minus R bind? This part, less than minus.
Yes.
Hey, higher. Whose screen is infusing?
Mine.
Who is mine?
Mine has what?
Mine is Michelle. You're the
Michelle.
one. Aya, mine Michelle. Aya, can you share your screen?
Yes.
Then? Share your screen. You have a look at it.
Can you see my screen? Oh, here it is.
So let me ask you.
Yeah.
Have you?
Oh.
I'm talking about minus. Yes, you have not put a minus. Now run it.
Okay.
Run it again. Run the last one. So what's it?
Okay.
There it is. So now it is okay. Make sure you put the minus, eh?
So for mine, even total one, I'm having a problem.
Which one?
For total one, it's not reading my data.
Stephanie, share the screen.
In 1 minute.
Data one, because you have written DIT one, DIT, not data, DIT, that.
No, look, even when I data one, it's giving me errors, and I've imported all of them.
Let me see your import. What is it saying? Let me see the import.
Here's
Where is data
my
one?
data one.
Where is data one?
.csv file.choose. Here's my data one, ID, weight, and age.
No. What is the name of the data?
Data one. Yeah.
It's not showing. Where did you import it from? Can you start importing? Let me see. In class, wacha nimalize nipigie tu sahi. How did you import it?
Read.csv.
But you have to give it a name.
Yeah.
You have to say, why don't you click this part called import data here? Yours cannot import. Click. Yes.
Okay, let me try.
Bravo. Data one. Where is it? Yeah, yours cannot import. So
it's going to give me this error. Yeah.
So what you do before read.csv, you write data one is equals to read.csv. Data two is equals to. You write it on top, not down there. Yeah. You always write on top here. So
I'm used to writing down there. Okay.
Close that new data.
You see, it doesn't let me. Okay.
So right there, data one is equals to, in small letters. And you put it as one word. Data one is equals to read.csv. Attach data one like that.
CSV. Choose.
Excuse me, sir. If you're using the CSV function, you must write this way.
Okay.
Then click the data.
How am I supposed to? So I've never done it like this. You see, when I run it down here, it doesn't give me this.
Where did you save that data set? That called data one?
BST 1020, but it's not showing me that.
Because you didn't save it .csv. Then you should, how did you run up with this other one? New data, weight. How did you come up with this other data set? This one, weight.
Which one? So I imported, I'm telling you I imported both.
Then click,
so I always
that part. Click that part again, import data.
Yeah.
Just click that, import data, look for it. this part, top right.
Yeah. Okay, let me just come here.
There's something written import dataset. This one.
This one here.
From Excel.
That this one doesn't work.
Just click because I know.
Just try it. So it's not reading.
Maybe you restart, then you can try R if it can work.
So can I try the way I did at the beginning?
That's okay.
From down here.
Remember, you have to give them those names. Call them data 1 is equals to data 2, like that. Otherwise, it will not run. Anyway, what we can do, Stephanie, because it's, you try, let me see. If it's not working, what we can do, we can create a session. You can send me a WhatsApp. I create for you a session. We run it with you.
Yes, please.
Yeah, just copy the command, then we shall run it. Anyone else whose is not working?
Can I share my screen? Vanessa.
Who?
Vanessa.
Okay. There it is, you can share.
I just wanted to ask, is it supposed to be this way when I'm using the CSV function?
Yes, you're very okay. It has attached. I can see yours as attached.
And these errors, do they have?
No, the error is very okay.
Okay.
So now you can work out the margin, total 1 and the total 2, eh?
Okay.
All right, so you practice them. I think it's enough for today. We'll continue with aggregating and reshaping data the next time. I'll also look at some tasks to give you, but meanwhile, just practice on what I've said. Redo them. I'll get some tasks for you and post for you. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. That's enough for today.
Yes.
Sorry?
Thank you. No, I'm just saying yes.
All right, so that's okay for today. Enjoy your weekend. See you next time.
Goodbye. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Good day.
Okay, Stefan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sean.